One question that I get a lot is how to change your home page. So you're going to go to the course that you want to work in, and you're going to be on your home page, which right now is set to my course modules, and you're going to go over to choose home page. And here you'll see that I have it set to course modules. Other options are course activity stream, pages, front page, an assignments list, or a syllabus. For consistency, most teachers are going to be setting it to course modules as their default, unless there is some other reason to be changing it to something else. But let's say we want to change it to a page. So we go to this, and we have already set a front page. And actually I was helping somebody, so it says welcome to AP English. So I can go ahead and change that. Actually, I don't want the AP English one. So I will use this meet the teacher and first day of class activities. So maybe for the first week of school, that is the one that I want to use. So I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to set this as the front page now instead. And when I go back to home, I will go back to choose home page, and I will use this as my new home page. So this one is actually a Bitmoji classroom where I have my first day activities right there. So if I want to go back to having the modules, I would go ahead and click that. So pretty simple. The key thing is if you are going to use a page, just you need to make sure that it is set as the front page.